not everyone is getting to judge the future of India. I'm talking about the Smart India Hackathon 2024. So you were the judge. So
Yeah.
I want to know about that story.
They took me as a youngest jury member of the Smart India Hackathon 2024. I'm not IITian. Okay. I don't do any kind of the IIT preparation at all.
So you already covered the part what is the problem with the current education system? Can you elaborate more on that? What is the problem that leads you to start the high dates?
कुछ भी बनाने से पहले we will talk to the customer. We will talk to the people. Then what I did, this is one idea that I have. So I will validate it. Okay, validation is very important. So I talked to lot of the people in India, but I don't get the proper validate idea.
किस तरीके से वैलिडेट किया आपने इंडिया में?
After talking 3000 people, 30 minutes is approximately 130k hours or something it is.
Yeah.
Okay, then I got to realize there is some very big problem is exists in the market. कि everything is available, still people are not able to get what actually they want.
Hello Deepak.
Hi.
Welcome to Arya Spot Chats.
Okay.
And talking to someone who is not just talking about AI or building AI, but also who is building the AI workforce is like really interesting and inspiring for me. Let's dive deep into this conversation.
Sure.
So, can you let us know about your background, what kind of student you were, and at that time how you started your career, and now you're a founder of High Dates. So, how did that happen?
Yeah, so basically if I talk about I'm not IITian. Okay, I don't do any kind of the IIT preparation at all.
Okay.
Okay, I'm a backbencher. Okay, my maximum percentage is 60, not more than that. And
Okay.
I always pray कि 60 भी आ जाए तो I am happy.
Got it.
And from the school to the college, everywhere everything is the same. But the one thing that always be curious for me, want to understand much more about from the use case perspective, for the implementation perspective, कि कहाँ पर ये चीज यूज होने वाली है. Until unless I will not able to get to know on that particular area, I will not go forward.
Okay.
कि अगर कोई ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का फॉर्मूला भी है या कोई क्वेश्चन भी आ रहा है या कोई कंसेप्ट है, if I want to understand, then I will understand where to use, why to use, and what is the need of that particular formula, why people are invented. Take an example of that. Whenever we are solving any problem, okay, we are saying let x is equal to 100. Why x 100, not 200, not
Got it.
50? So that kind of the like mindset that I have, and currently also that I am putting the same thing in my company as well. So that's what that I think the thing that has been. And after that I went into the college, and in the college itself I got a lot of things, but the one thing that give me the curious, which is I like kind of where I go to the college, then a lot of the people trying to go into the 90% of the degree. 90% ले आओ, आपकी जॉब अच्छे से लग जाएगी,
Correct.
कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट होगा, then it's going to be happen. But what happened, my college is textile college, MLV textile college in hometown city Bhilwara, Rajasthan, MLV textile college. And at that time 2013 to 2017 I was in the college. So what happened, most of the people are getting the job in the era of the textile, because college is textile. So I get to know कि यार इसको कैसे क्रैक किया जाए, तो चलो प्रैक्टिकल करते हैं. Then I start building the things, I start talking the people, I got the very support from the college HODs and the professors like Anurag Jagetia, Nitesh Chauhan, and they connected me the few of my college senior who were doing the something in data science. And what the one thing that I realized when I was learning about the tech, every programming language concepts is same. So then I get to know कि यार ये कहीं ना कहीं ऑटोमेटिक हो सकता है, ये सैचुरेशन में जा सकता है. Then I start getting into more and more. Then I get to know yes, ये हो जाएगा, तो इस डायरेक्शन में नहीं जाना है.
Okay.
Then I heard the data science from one of my senior, Arun Pokharna Bose. Currently he is in USA. So he gave me the glimpse of the data science. मैंने कहा यार this is good. This is why it is good, because algorithm is fixed.
Correct.
If you will going to change the data, your problem will be changed.
Correct.
So data always be the different because data is coming from the humans and humans are different. No single person is available in the whole world उसका fingerprint same है.
Correct.
तो data different, problem different, तो हमेशा कुछ तो कुछ नया solve करोगे.
Correct.
So this is how that's started. I started my data science journey.
Got it. So not everyone is getting to judge the future of India. I'm talking about the Smart India Hackathon 2024. So
Okay.
you were the judge. So
Yeah.
I want to know about that story. What was your experience? How it was like? And what was your perspective like while looking at the students? How innovative they were?
To be honest, मेरे लिए भी काफी shocking था. Smart India Hackathon came in our college 2017. I was in the final year, and that's the first time Smart India Hackathon has been started by Narendra Modi ji, and after that people are just putting their efforts कि भाई इसमें तो कुछ करना ही है, इसमें तो कुछ करना ही है, and we also did it.
2017 में वो पहली बार start
yes yes
हुआ था
पहली
ना?
बार
हाँ,
स्टार्ट होता है.
correct.
yes. ठीक है ना. फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ? उसके बाद हमने हमारा पिच रखा,
Okay.
हमारा पिच सेलेक्ट हो गया.
Okay.
ठीक है ना. कॉलेज में से 2 टीम सेलेक्ट हुई थी. कुछ टीम मेरी जूनियर थी,
Okay.
थर्ड ईयर के थे, मैं फाइनल ईयर का था, और हमारी टीम सेलेक्ट हुई.
हाँ.
और लकीली हम मैंगलोर में ही आए थे.
अच्छा.
ठीक है.
Okay.
2017 में हम मैंगलोर में आए, हमने पार्टिसिपेट किया, और फिर उसके बाद ठीक है, आई थिंक टॉप 10 या टॉप 20 में थे, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर. तो दिस इज हाउ दैट इज बिगन. अब आई डोंट नो कि उनके पास वो मेरा डेटा था. सम टाइम आई एम गेटिंग द सम काइंड ऑफ द मेल from the Ministry of India of Education, okay, AICTE, something is this, and where that they are asking, are you able to comfortable to mentor? Are you able to comfortable to mentor the students and all these things? So I say, okay, mentor is what that I'm doing, so that's not a big issue for me. So I am happy to do it. So this is a way that I put it myself over there कि हाँ, I will do it. Then it's a regressive process. इंटरव्यूज हुए, काफी कुछ पूछा उन्होंने, काफी कुछ समझा, एंड आफ्टर दैट दे टुक मी एज अ यंगेस्ट जूरी मेंबर ऑफ द स्मार्ट इंडिया हैकाथन 2024. और अगेन वो बैंगलोर में ही हुआ. सो अगेन दिस इज वन मोर कोइंसिडेंस दैट हैपन. तो वो थोड़ा सा मतलब मेरे लिए भी लगता ही है कि यार ये तो थोड़ा कुछ अलग ही हुआ. सो ये नहीं सोचा था और ना ही ये प्लान किया था. बस एक चीज थी जो करते जा रहे थे कि हाँ यार, जो मन में आ रहा है वो करना है, और अगर गट फीलिंग है उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया के ऊपर, लेट्स डू इट, जस्ट इग्नोर ऑल दिस थिंग्स. सो या.
और वहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स को देख के मतलब क्या आपका पर्सपेक्टिव रहा कि इनोवेशन मतलब इंडिया में स्टूडेंट्स के पर्सपेक्टिव से कैसे किस ट्रैक पे हम लोग हैं अभी?
हाँ, हैपनिंग करंटली. सो पीपल आर एक्चुअली डूइंग वेरी गुड. They are understanding the market, they are understanding the problem rather than just putting themselves on the tech. टेक पे इतना ज्यादा नहीं कर रहे हैं आजकल, प्रॉब्लम्स को ले रहे हैं और उस पे कुछ ना कुछ बढ़िया कर रहे हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाट दैट दे आर डूइंग. सो दैट्स रियली अमेजिंग.
Okay, great. So, what do you see? Like, you have experience, like you are mentoring a lot of people.
Actually, there's again a story on that one. So what happened when I was in the college? So whenever I got something, let's go more behind it. When I was in the school, the lot of the things are happening in everyone's lives. Take example again, any trigonometry formula or integration formula, linear algebra. To solve the problem for everyone is different approach. So what my thought कि अगर मेरे को कुछ नया फॉर्मूला मिलता था ना, मैं अगले दिन स्कूल जाता था और बताता था, भाई देख ये कुछ मिला है,
अच्छा,
इससे हो सकता है प्रॉब्लम जल्दी सॉर्ट हो जाए.
Okay.
So this is the attitude that I have previously and currently as well.
Okay.
Whatever I am getting, I like to share with the others instantly. If possible, just call कि भाई ये कुछ मिला है, इससे काम हो सकता है, आसान हो जाए. Whatever the problem that we are facing, mostly with the help of this particular thing, we will able to make it faster and faster.
Correct.
So school, after that college, and then what happened? This attitude becomes something larger and larger, and I created a few group of the people in college itself as a learning club where I am giving them the knowledge whatever that I was at that time. I was in the second year or third year, and I am giving the knowledge to my junior at my home, at college, wherever it's possible. And in the last year ऐसा हो गया कि कुछ तो जूनियर्स थे जो मेरे घर पे आके कॉलेज खत्म होने के बाद बैठ के हम सब पढ़ते थे, और मैं उनको पढ़ाता था. और ऐसा एटीट्यूड बन गया, ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट बन गया.
अच्छा.
And after that, it's continue happening, keep on happening. But I'm not able to channelize it. This is one skills that I have, but I'm not able to get कि इसको channelize कैसे किया जाए. But I'm doing, keep on doing, along with my job. So I have the multiple jobs that I did. Okay, software engineering job I did, because at that time I'm not getting the particular data science role in 2017. So I did in my hometown itself. After that I went to the Mumbai, where I got this BizLab company, where I got the first machine learning engineer job.
Okay.
2018 to 2020. And after that I went to the Easy Reward, where I got the again data science position. So this is the way the things happen.
Got it.
I was the CTO as well of the one of the company. So this is happening. But the one thing is common, mentorship. मैं वहां पे भी मेंटरशिप कर रहा हूँ, जैसे कॉलेज में कर रहा था, और कंपनी में भी कर रहा हूँ. जो कलीग है उनको भी बता रहा हूँ कि देखिए फ्रेमवर्क मिला है, ये लॉजिक मिला है, इससे तेरा काम आसान हो जाएगा. ये लाइब्रेरी मिली है गिटहब पे, इससे तेरा काम आसान हो जाएगा.
चैट जीपीटी होने के पहले.
पहले दिस इज पहले लिटरली पहले स्टैक ओवरफ्लो पे ये मिला है, इससे तेरा काम फास्ट हो जाएगा. So this is the attitude. Okay, so after COVID and all these things, I just go back to the like home. COVID आ गया था, then I got married. Okay, so वो एक अलग story है, because I have the 8 years of the relationship with my wife. Okay, and after that we got married. तो वो एक अलग genre है. So we got married in COVID, and that's what the wonderful decision that I made in my life ever.
Okay.
And I'm proud of it, that decision. Sooner I will talk on that topic as well. Okay, in detail. Okay, so this is how that's the things happen. Okay, then come to the Bangalore, and I got to know one of the platform who is doing some kind of the mentor and mentees.
Okay.
So you will able to connect them. Okay, you will able to connect them in that particular platform. Okay, so this is how it's happened. And इससे ये हुआ कि within 18 months I will able to talk 3000 people.
My God, that's crazy.
30 minutes मोस्टली, चलो ठीक है, खींच के 24 months. 24 months में सैटरडे संडे मैं उनसे ही बात कर रहा हूँ. 30 minutes कॉल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. अगर अच्छा लगे तो पैसा देना, नहीं तो नहीं देना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, और मैं पैसे के लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ. आफ्टर टॉकिंग 3000 people, 30 minutes is approximately 130k hours or something it is.
Yeah.
Then I got to realize there is some very very big problem is exists in the market. कि everything is available, still people are not able to get what actually they want.
Got it.
And due to that I will make myself कि हाँ यार, we will take the some decision on that route. And I mentor 3000 people, and due to that I have been featured on the Times Square as well 2 times continuously. So that's how that is happened.
Okay. So you already covered the part like what is the problem with the current education system? Can you elaborate more on that? Like what is the problem that leads you to start the High Devs?
Okay, yeah, so that came after talking to the 3000 people.
Okay.
So talent, what the people is just looking for, companies is looking for good talent people,
Correct.
talented people, good skills. Other side, people want to become a talented, but they are not able to do it.
They don't know actually like what is the correct roadmap.
Yes.
Correct.
They don't know कि कहाँ जाना है. Take example, everyone want to go USA. Okay, everyone want to go USA, but everyone have the ticket. Okay, have the money, but then don't know how to go. So that's the basic issue that the people was facing. So now come to the high devs part. So I get to know about this. Then I thought कि यार चलो कुछ start करते हैं. Okay. पहले भी एक बार किया था स्टार्ट, कॉलेज में भी किया था, एवरी टाइम आई स्टार्ट, लेकिन कुछ इतना रिजल्ट आया नहीं. मल्टीपल टाइम्स आई बिल्ड द प्रोडक्ट एंड लॉट ऑफ द थिंग्स आई डिड. ओके, लेकिन इतना रिजल्ट्स नहीं आते थे. ओके, एंड दिस टाइम आई थॉट ऑफ कि जस्ट डू समथिंग डिफरेंट. कुछ भी बनाने से पहले वी विल टॉक टू द कस्टमर, वी विल टॉक टू द पीपल. देन व्हाट आई डिड, दिस इज वन आइडिया दैट आई हैव, सो आई विल वैलिडेट इट. Okay, validation is very important. Okay, so validation. Okay, so I talked with a lot of the people. After that, I decided why not just validate this idea what I am thinking of. Ki just build something around the generative AI and talent or skills related something that I can able to build it. Okay, so I talked to a lot of the people in India, but I don't get the proper validate idea.
मतलब किस तरीके से वैलिडेट किया आपने इंडिया में?
मैंने इन लोगों से बात करी और मैंने काफ़ी लोगों से लिंक्डइन पे बात करी, पर्सनली मैंने बैंगलोर पे काफ़ी लोगों को रीच आउट किया, लेकिन वो विजुलाइज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं जो मैं विजुलाइज कर पा रहा हूँ।
अच्छा।
ये एक प्रॉब्लम मेरे को दिखी
हम्म।
कि यार जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ ना वो सोच नहीं पा रहे। वो बोल रहे नहीं यार अभी तो प्रोजेक्ट्स आएंगे, अभी तो ये आएगा, अभी तो वो आएगा। मैं वो बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं 10 साल बाद की बात कर रहा हूँ कि अभी जो चीज हो रही है वो अगर इसी वे में चलती रही तो ये पॉसिबिलिटीज प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती है। अभी नहीं आएगी, 5 साल बाद वो प्रॉब्लम आएगी। वो 5 साल बाद या 3 साल बाद के लिए वो सॉल्यूशन मेरे को अभी बनाना है, तो वो विजुलाइज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। तो मैंने कहा यार ऐसे तो हो नहीं पाएगा, सो लेट्स डू समथिंग एल्स। Then everyone know about कि if you want to validate something in the world of the tech, there's only one space is available on this planet, which is San Francisco. So what I did, I took a decision कि why not let's go to SF for 40 days.
Okay.
So I went SF San Francisco 40 days. I talked to 200 plus founders, 50 plus investors in person in different events. Okay, and that includes the founder of LangChain, Crew AI, Llama Index, Airbyte.
कब की बात है ये?
ये last year only, 4th June to 4th of July. Yeah. So I glad that I was able to meet all that people in the events. Then I talk to them. I give them the what brief idea that I am working on, and I want to push myself beyond my limits and start my company. अगर एक जने ने भी हाँ बोला ना आई विल स्टार्ट माई कंपनी, तो उल्टा हुआ एक ने भी मना नहीं किया। मैंने कहा ठीक है फिर तो कर सकते हैं ना।
अच्छा।
तो मैं वापस आया, मैंने कहा लेट्स डू इट। सो आई डिड अ फ्यू कैलकुलेशन एंड आफ्टर डूइंग द कैलकुलेशन कि हाँ यार ठीक है इतना पैसा है, इसको ऐसे ऐसे करेंगे तो इतना टाइम का रनवे तो हो ही जाएगा। प्रॉपर वैलिडेशन, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, एनालिसिस आई हैव टू डू, एंड दिस इज हाउ दैट इज स्टार्टेड HiDesk. And in HiDesk we are building world largest generative AI workforce where we are upskilling the people from the personalized manner. So yeah.
Okay, got it. How it is different from the other platforms, and what kind of challenges you are trying to address in this?
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, if we talk about the current system, okay, and the current platform, what the people have, content is available on YouTube.
Correct.
Okay. Content is available on Coursera, and there are a lot of the Udemy is there, edX is there. Okay, there are a lot of the content oriented platforms is available. Content is also available. Roadmap is also available. Projects are available, but this system is broken, unstructured, unplanned, no personalization. Take an example. You are going to the Coursera. You do course. Do you able to get to know which course is the best for you in a single shot?
I decide that which I want to do.
Okay. How you will able to decide if you don't know anything about the Gen AI and you are the beginner?
There's a course saying beginner A to Z.
Beginner A to Z. Okay.
Yeah.
चलो ठीक है.
हाँ.
After learning that, you will able to get to know कि how much you have been learned till now, at what level of the knowledge that you have been gathered. Is anyone on the Coursera is validating it?
No, no one.
Is anyone on the YouTube or the again on the other platforms, the content based platform, who is saying ki this is where that you are lagging? Anyone is giving you the proper feedback whatever you have been learned?
No, they say that you can't improve unless you measure or track it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need a proper tracking.
Correct.
We need a proper feedback system, then only you will able to do it. This is one. Second, the capacity and as well as the thought process of the every human being is different. So you know very well about the Python, but if you will start your journey of Gen AI, I don't think you need again to learn about the Python.
No, correct.
Correct. But Coursera को ये नहीं पता है ना. Okay. And
Correct.
I'm not specifying only one single company. I'm just talking about the content based companies or courses based companies. Yeah, I'm not talking about this kind of things. Okay. Let's talk about the beginner, okay, of the college student who don't know about the Python but know about the C++ and Java. वही तो प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज पढ़ी होगी ना कॉलेज में, 4 साल हो 2 साल हो, कुछ तो पढ़ा होगा, वो भी नहीं पता इनको प्लेटफॉर्म को. Where that we are coming into picture.
Okay.
We are saying we will understand you by taking your 30 minutes of the interview.
Okay.
We will take your interview, and this interview is not taken by me and not neither from my team. AI agent.
AI agent will take
Yeah.
the interview.
100% AI agent is there 24/7 into 365.
Correct.
Take the interview, and again there is one more very interesting that we have been implemented, resume based interview
Okay.
or assessment that you can say.
Okay.
Whatever available in your resume,
Hmm.
I will ask only that questions.
Okay.
Then I will able to get to know where you are good,
Hmm.
where you are bad, strength, weakness, etc., etc. And after that, I will talk about something or ask about my interviewer will talk about the something about like Gen AI. Why you interested? What you want to do with the Gen AI? So we will able to get the interest of that particular person. Ki where they want to implement the particular Gen AI. This is a way we will able to get the persona of the student or the user. And here, this logic is applicable for every person. Student, professional, okay,
Correct.
job seeker, even sales, product manager, marketing people, okay, operations, HR, CXO level, everyone. Persona based, personalized based. And after that, we are giving the proper roadmap to the each of the user. And this roadmap is based of 40% of content,
Okay.
60% of the activities that they have to do on the platform itself, like the Duolingo.
Okay.
So you will learn by doing it rather than reading it. एग्जाम्पल 2 घंटे का स्विमिंग क्लासेस देखकर मेरे को स्विमिंग नहीं आएगी.
नहीं.
2 घंटे का स्केटिंग क्लास या ड्राइविंग क्लासेस की वीडियोस देखकर मेरे को ड्राइविंग नहीं आएगी. मेरे को जाके ड्राइविंग सीखनी पड़ेगी, 1-2 गाड़ी फोड़ूंगा, तब जाके कुछ काम होगा. द सेम अप्रोच दैट वी आर यूजिंग इट, बट नॉट 100%. We have the content as well, 40% of the content and 60% of the activity that you have to do on the platform itself. And all these things has been connected with the platform, and again a recursively feedback mechanism which is connected with the HighDefs score, and that will keep on pushing yourself to complete it. So this is a way that we are different, personalized, feedback, proper mechanism to score your profile, so anyone will able to get to know how well that you are doing and what you were when you started and where you are currently. So this is how that we are different from the market.
Okay. So what is the duration of that particular course? Like approx generally?
Again, there's the personalized.
Okay. It depends
So,
on
yeah.
how much you want to learn.
Again, if you already know Python,
Hmm.
okay, I will not give you the Python learning.
Okay.
If you are very hurry,
Huh.
okay, if you will say ki I have the particular project that I have to be completed, okay, I have to work in a company where I need this kind of the AI agent implementation that I have to do. In that scenario, what will happen? You have to come, you will show your interest and the requirement. On the basis of that, we will craft it. But maximum within one month or 45 days. Sometimes 21 days as well that we are giving. Like vibe coding. Take example vibe coding. Nowadays people want to increase their productivity. So recently we did a like one pilot with the one of the company, okay, where we upskill the employees of that particular company of the 15 people with the vibe coding, and their productivity has been increased 3x
Great.
because they don't know how to read, how to write a prompt.
Okay.
That's what that we are giving. Prompt engineering, how to write it, how to visualize the concepts, how to you are the AI engineer. You know, if you will able to write a architecture diagram,
Correct.
then you will easily complete your work.
Correct.
That's what the activities that we are giving on the platform.
Got it. And like, are you also taking care of placements for them?
So
Or-
placement is a bonus. If you will able to get it, then it's okay. But yeah, no, we are not taking care of the placement. Mostly we will talk about the upskilling part.
Got it. And you also include that like capstone projects kind of.
Yes, they will be there. And caption projects is again, there is very interesting thing in that particular part. Time I have been done approximately 200 plus POCs of Gen AI, and I'm giving that POCs only on the platform, which is the industry one. And I have the few connection with the my connection of the my companies. Okay, the close connected people are there who are always giving me the few industries use cases, and I'm putting that use cases on our platform. कि
Okay.
गिटहब से नहीं उठा के दे रहा हूँ मैं, गूगल से नहीं उठा रहा हूँ मैं, आपको वही दूंगा जो एक्चुअल में कंपनी में चाहिए, क्योंकि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वेयर यू आर गोइंग इनटू द
Company.
कंपनी, सो दैट्स व्हाई.
Correct. And if someone wants to connect to the mentor, so that's a AI mentor, we can say.
Yes,
right?
AI mentor.
Yeah.
So my own clone is available on the system.
Okay.
So AI clone is there, but this is a where that I put myself. So I told you that there's a 3,000 people interview that I have been taken. I have the data of that people.
Okay.
I put it into the AI. I fine tune it myself. Okay. And currently, the AI agent named Eco Deepak behave like me, talk like me, and give you
Okay.
the proper explanation of everything like a proper mentor that I am giving to the people. So you don't have to worry and go here and there because the nature of the chat GPT, अभी भी अगर आप चैट जीपीटी करोगे तो एक पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन का आंसर वो 2 पेज का देता है,
करेक्ट.
तो वो नहीं चाहिए. ह्यूमन के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि वो इतना बड़ा जाके उसको रीड करेंगे. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कीप इट सिंपल, शॉर्ट, human oriented way. So that's that's available on the system itself.
Got it. So in the coming time, how do you see the AI? Like we are saying that AI will replace the future jobs. What is your take on it?
Definitely AI will do, but that doesn't mean ki new jobs will not be created. New jobs will be created. Lower level jobs will be gone, like coders.
It's a lower level job
Yes,
now.
coders will be gone,
One
but
time.
programmers will be not.
Correct.
Solution architect, no.
Yeah.
New jobs will be created like prompt engineer, AI agentic solution builder, these kind of new jobs, and it's always be happen. So I don't think there is a fear of that. Okay, and I always say in my workshop, make AI as your friend rather than the enemy. Hope you know about the pair programming. Okay,
Yeah.
so what I refer to everyone, do the pair programming with AI.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, so that's attitude. If you will able to do it, I think that's the much better approach.
Correct. And like what I think that if we are using the ChatGPT as a pair programmer and like a lot of things,
Yes.
we have to adapt because the speed expectations has
Agree.
rise to that level. But what do you think? What are the side effects of that? I would say, or what are the risks associated with that? Like people would forget coding. There will be, I don't know how details like technical depth in terms of system thinking, how much it will be. So what do you think about it?
Yes, it will be impact because people not able to write a single code. Ki
Single-
prime number, Fibonacci series, even and odd, so they will forget it. They will forget it. That's no issue. But the rapid adoption of the AI, जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी उसकी करने की.
Okay.
अगर
लेकिन what do you think about the interviews कैसे देंगे फिर?
इंटरव्यूज तो वैसे भी अभी AI दे रहा है ना. अभी AI ही दे रहा है और AI ही ले रहा है. There are a few companies who are supporting people cheating very nicely.
Yeah.
So people not able to get to know how the things are working.
But that's not like ethical, right?
हाँ, ethical तो
Yeah.
नहीं है, but yeah.
in person, if someone is taking your interview and then in coming time, people would forget.
So that's the issue ना. That's the issue.
Yeah, that's a big issue.
People
also.
have to upskill themselves. That's why I'm coming into the picture with the high devs. So you have to upskill. If you will not do yourself upskill with the AI, then you will not get the good job and the good position in the market. Not always be the job is the like your goal. Okay, it should be, but not always. Upskilling should be there. So you need a proper AI upskilling. So that's why we build the hiders.
Yeah, but मेरा क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे ऐसा है कि अपस्किलिंग मतलब आई नो व्हाट टू डू, लाइक मैं एआई को अगर कोई प्रॉम्प्ट दूंगी, मुझे पता है उससे क्या करवाना है.
Okay.
ठीक है, लेकिन मगर मुझे लिखने बोलेंगे तो शायद मुझे लिखते नहीं आएगा.
हाँ, नहीं आएगा, लेकिन
हाँ,
उसकी जरूरत भी तो नहीं है ना.
हाँ, जरूरत नहीं, लेकिन इंटरव्यूज जब क्रैक करना है तो मुझे शायद जरूरत पड़े, ऐसा मैं बोलूँ. तो क्या फ्यूचर पर्सपेक्टिव से इंटरव्यूज के मेथड्स भी बदलने चाहिए?
ऑब्वियस है वो होगा, क्योंकि
चाहिए ना?
हाँ वो होगा, वो मैंडेटरी है, उनको करना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि नहीं करेंगे तो उनके लिए प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि मार्केट में वो हो ही नहीं रहा है ना. मार्केट में वो हो ही नहीं रहा है. फिर होगा क्या, कोडिंग पर्सपेक्टिव से नहीं होगा इंटरव्यू, सॉल्यूशन पर्सपेक्टिव से होगा, प्रैक्टिकल पर्सपेक्टिव से होगा.
हाँ.
जो अभी तक नहीं हो रहा था.
हाँ, अभी तक नहीं हो
रहा था. अभी तक कभी मेरे को नहीं लगता है कि मेरे को कभी किसी ने पूछा सिस्टम डिजाइन क्या होता है बिफोर 5 ईयर. 5 ईयर के एक्सपीरियंस के बाद ही लोग बाग मेरे से पूछने लग गए कि व्हाट इज सिस्टम डिजाइन, हाउ यू विल क्राफ्ट इट. लेकिन अभी ये स्टार्टिंग में ही हो जाएगा, क्योंकि कोडिंग की तो जरूरत ही नहीं है ना, डेवलपर की जरूरत ही नहीं है, अब प्रोग्रामर की जरूरत है. तो दैट्स व्हाई पीपल हैव टू से कि लोअर लेवल यहाँ पे था कोडर्स, हाई लेवल पहले यहाँ पे थे.
करेक्ट.
ये चले गए, ये नीचे आ गए.
नीचे आ रहे हैं.
अब हाई लेवल वाले लो लेवल हो गए और जो पहले हायर टू हायर थे वो यहाँ पे आ
वो
गए.
यहाँ पे
So
आ
this is how the shift has been happen. एग्जाम्पल 10th फ्लोर का बिल्डिंग है, लास्ट का जो सेकंड 1 और 2 फ्लोर है ना वो है ही नहीं अब.
अब है ही नहीं, एग्जिस्ट
तो फर्स्ट और पहले वाला जो थर्ड और फोर्थ था ना वो अब फर्स्ट और सेकंड बन गया. सो पीपल हैव टू शिफ्ट देमसेल्फ. So that's why they have to upskill and they have to just react and do the things according to that.
Got it. I think you mentioned from 2023 you started your journey. Can you tell us about like what kind of challenges you faced? What were your learnings? And I'm asking from the perspective of founder.
Okay.
What should I learn?
Okay, so basically we started our company on 7th of September. I left my job on 23rd of August 2024. I started my company on 7th of September. Why 7th of September? Wife's birthday.
Okay.
Honest.
Lucky.
हाँ. So that's why we took this decision कि 7th of September we will take. We took a decision, we go for the Vrindavan. So we
Okay.
went Vrindavan. We stay there for at least 1 week and after that we launch everything from there.
Okay.
We shoot the we shoot the video, we did the website development, everything we did there. From the learning perspective, what I will say, whatever is coming in your mind, discuss with your team or the co-founder that you have and then try to implement it as soon as possible and ship it into the market.
Okay.
This is one thing. And challenges, वो तो रोज आएंगे यार. अब उसका कोई फिक्स नहीं है कि कुछ भी आ सकते हैं. प्रोडक्ट में भी आ सकते हैं, सेल्स में भी आ सकते हैं, लोगो में भी आ सकते हैं. सो और कुछ ऐसी चीजें भी हो सकती है जो अनएक्सपेक्टेड है. सो दे आर द फ्यू पीपल एंड दैट्स हैपन फ्रॉम माय स्कूल टाइमिंग. आई विल टेल यू, देयर इज वन वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी कि व्हेनेवर आई एम गिविंग 100% टू समवन कि या यू आर द वन पर्सन हु शुड बी स्टे विथ मी. ओके, और जस्ट कोई खड़ा हो नहीं हो भाई, तेरे को मेरे लिए खड़ा होना पड़ेगा. आई नीड यू. जैसे ही किसको कुछ बोलता हूँ ना, वो हाँ तो बोलता है लेकिन नेक्स्ट 3 से 4 महीने के बाद वो गायब हो जाता है.
Is it? Okay.
वो स्कूल टाइम से हो रहा है. मैं जिसके ऊपर जितना ज्यादा भरोसा करता हूँ ना वो जीवन से गायब हो जाता है.
अच्छा, ऐसा क्या करते हैं?
पता नहीं क्या होता है, लिटरली मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. तो मैंने अब क्या मैंने भरोसा कम करना स्टार्ट कर दिया.
अच्छा.
मैंने ट्रस्ट, क्योंकि एक्चुअली होता क्या है, स्कूल में भी ऐसा हुआ था, कॉलेज में तो बहुत ज्यादा हुआ. काफी लोगों को मैंने काफी कुछ मेंटर किया, काफी कुछ किया, मेरे फ्रेंड्स को भी किया, लेकिन उस लेवल का जो सेटिस्फेक्शन मेरे को मिलना चाहिए ना वो नहीं मिला. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आई एम सेइंग हियर, ठीक है, क्योंकि ऑनेस्ट वन थिंग दैट आई लव अ लॉट, वो आज की डेट में पूछते भी नहीं है कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. और वो आज की डेट में जहां बैठे हैं वहां पे मैंने काफी कंट्रीब्यूट किया उनकी लाइफ में. आई डोंट सेइंग कि भाई आओ और पूजा पाठ करो मेरी, नो, बट यू शुड मेंटेन सम रिलेशनशिप. That's important. That's very much important, and that's happening in my company as well. So there are the few people who were associate me, okay, before the hiders as well, and they were like a brother. I make them as a brother, and after that, suddenly they have been behaving like a ghost.
Okay. ये कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में भी होता है
ये
ghosting.
पता नहीं घोस्टिंग वाला मेरे को कॉर्पोरेट का, तो क्योंकि मैं इतना काम किया नहीं कॉर्पोरेट में, मोस्टली मैंने स्टार्टअप में ही काम किया, तो ये ऐसा हुआ है मेरे साथ. तो ये चैलेंजेस से ऊपर तो कुछ है ही नहीं ना, क्योंकि यू विल नॉट एबल टू हैंडल दैट पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन बिकॉज यू हैव बीन कनेक्टेड एज ए इमोशनली, एंड आफ्टर दैट दे लेफ्ट यू इन बिटवीन ऑफ योर जर्नी. वो बहुत ज्यादा टफ होता है.
ओके, सो आप बोल रहे हैं कि भरोसा कम करो.
हाँ, भरोसा कम करो लोगों पे, खुद के ऊपर भरोसा करो, फैमिली के ऊपर करो.
सो हाइडर्स में इन्वेस्टर्स भी इंक्लूडेड हैं अभी, लाइक हाउ इज द फंड रेजिंग एंड ऑल थिंग्स अबाउट हाइडर्स?
हाँ, तो यार ये एक्चुअली ये एक अलग ही मतलब वो है जो हमेशा मतलब यानी मेरे लिए काफी क्लोज रहेगा. स्टार्टेड विद माय सेविंग्स जो खत्म हो गई.
ओके,
फिर उसके बाद
can you tell
करंट
us like step by step when did you started? Like you started in 2023 you mentioned.
आई स्टार्टेड इन 2024.
2024.
आई लेफ्ट माय जॉब 23rd of August 2024 शाम को 4 से 5 बजे के बीच में. ठीक है, आई लेफ्ट दैट 7th September. We started our company. Then we did a proper 100 engineers cohort on YouTube Live.
Okay.
Every week 3 classes. I did it. After that we decided कि we will build the product, क्योंकि ये बहुत ऊपर जा सकता है. So we'll build the product. Till now we have 1,000+ users on the platform
Oh, great.
and 100% organic. मैंने 1 रुपया अभी तक ads में खर्च नहीं किया है.
Okay.
Nothing has been spent in the ads.
Okay.
100% organic that we are getting from. Okay, we have the very good feedback from the market and lot of things. So we have the team and I am hiring the people from my close network.
Okay.
I don't hire from the people randomly because I need a people who are good intent and loyal, not me themselves. They know what they are doing. If they know, then I think we are the good culture and all these things. And there's areas, so product development is there. Again, we have the marketing, okay, and HR and all these things that I am handling. So business part is one of my other co-founders are handling. So this is how there's the arrangement. Now, if we talk about the money part, so yes, 100% money is coming from my personal pocket. Whole savings has been finished till Jan or Feb. Okay, and after that, investor come into the picture. So investor is my wife.
Oh my God.
So
Okay.
currently, she is a Instagram influencer. Okay, she has a very good number of the followers, 118K, millions of the viewers. She is earning approximately $1,500 to $2,000 per month, and she is investing 100% in my company. So she is the investor of our company.
Oh my God, that's
So that's
interesting
yeah.
story.
So that's very lucky. So yeah. So that's the actual story. So that's why. So
Got it.
100% bootstrap. But
Uh-huh.
yeah, my wife is my company's investor.
Yeah. To stay updated in the AI, what kind of top 3 things that you do?
One thing that I do, not 3 things, is
Okay.
because I don't have that level of the time.
Okay.
I only spend my time on the LinkedIn.
Okay.
No Twitter,
Mm-hmm.
no YouTube. Okay, nothing. I love to watch web series and I make myself groom with the help of the web series. क्योंकि उनका content is very good. So this is how that I nurture. Okay. And for the AI, I use LinkedIn. I keep on reading the LinkedIn post and comments. Mostly, not only post, I read the comments as well.
Okay.
What people are saying, who are saying, what other people are saying on their own particular comment. So this is a way that I am able to get the content and then knowledge and the thoughts of the different people. Because what I understand after reading a different kinds of the blogs and the content, blog is written by the only single person. On social media, there is one very good approach if people will start using it, which is go to any post if you like it. If there is a 50+ comment, go there. Okay, read the comment and read the others comment on comments. Proper discussion is going on. So I think you will able to get a very good sense what's happening, what
Got
people are saying.
So what is your future vision with the Hidives? How do you look it into like in the next 5 years?
Okay, still 2030 we will going to be upskill at least 10 million engineers at least across the globe.
Great.
And that will be, this is one, this is the goal, not I will say the vision. And the vision, if I talk about, every person will able to learn AI, personalize the same way. Just take example of YouTube shorts. Why you are very much addicted with the shorts? Why you are not able to come out from there if you will start scrolling? Because they are giving whatever that you are liking.
What I'm one.
Yes. So they able to get to know what's your interest area. And that's what that we are saying. Personalization. We will give you the personalization learning. We will give you the what you want. Why we always go for the small group of the tuition class nearby our home. Because जो मेरे को चाहिए ना वो मैडम देती है, मम्मी मेरे को उसके पास उस मैडम के पास जाना है, वो वैसे पढ़ाती है जैसे मेरे को पढ़ना है. So that's level of the learning that we are going to give to the each user from our platform. That's our big impact that we want to crack it.
Understood. Okay. And question apart from this, so when you were working in a corporate, maybe startups you mentioned, and when you started your own entrepreneurship journey, so what kind of mindset shift you think you made, and what the people who are watching you right now should think about, like rethink about their mindset?
The few things that people should be take care of it, which is curiosity, and rather than chasing for the big funds, I will got the funding. और सॉरी आई विल गेट द फंडिंग, ओके फंडिंग मिल जाएगी तो दुनिया बदल जाएगी। भाई ऐसा नहीं होता है, सबसे पहली बात तो ये है, ठीक है ना, बहुत ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज विल इंक्रीज। इफ यू विल एबल टू solve this problem, what level of the impact that you will create on the people life. So that's level of the thing that you have to think. Okay, this is one. Second, curiosity. I think if you will have the good curiosity, then you will able to achieve what you want to be achieve in your life.
Okay, I think that's great. So what is the current team size of High Days?
Okay, so team size actually vary. How I will tell you, whenever I go to the different kind of the workshops, so every time we spend 3 days. I spend 3 days in every college. Offline जाता हूँ मैं बात करता हूँ, मैं उनको समझाता हूँ, सब कुछ होता है.
अच्छा.
And after that, I try to pick 4 to 5 people out of that.
Okay.
Okay, and doesn't matter कि क्या करेंगे क्या नहीं करेंगे, but I like them. They have the energy, they have the passionate potential. I don't care about what level of the knowledge that they will come and give to me on the like technical side, but yeah, I like the people, I love the people. If you are, then I will hire you. Okay, this is one. Second, so that's where but the fixed size is 8. Okay, including me is 8, and it vary from 8 to 20, 25.
Okay.
कि कुछ इंटर्न्स आते हैं, फिर उनकी इंटर्नशिप्स खत्म होती है, फिर दूसरे आते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ, बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज डू द वर्कशॉप in the Bangalore colleges, Jaipur colleges, so that's why.
Got it. And how's the culture in your company currently?
Yeah, so culture is totally something which I don't want to make with the other, where I feel very bad. So I work in each, whatever the company that I work, हमेशा ऐसा होता है कि कोई कंपनी में आपको कोई चीज पसंद नहीं आएगी और कोई चीज बहुत पसंद आएगी. So what I did, I worked 10 years. Whatever the companies I worked, I listed down the good part and bad part. I make sure कि good part तो होना ही चाहिए और bad part नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay.
So micromanagement नहीं होना चाहिए, pressure नहीं होना चाहिए. आपको काम समझा दिया, 1 हफ्ते का, 10 दिन का, 15 दिन का, आप करते रहो, मैं आपसे फोन लगा के नहीं पूछूंगा. आप कर देना, डिप्लॉय कर देना, चेंजेस के लिए मेरे को रिव्यू करवा देना, कहानी खत्म.
अच्छा. ओके.
पहली बात. हायरिंग की अगर मैं बात करूं, सो हायरिंग इज वेरी अपोजिट. इफ वी विल गो टू द कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड, दे विल टेक द बेसिक इंटरव्यू, देन कोडिंग राउंड, 1 coding, 2 coding, whatever the number of coding, then culture fitment round. Then they will say yes or no. I do inverse. सबसे पहले होगा culture fitment.
Is it? Okay.
If you are good culture fitment, then I will talk about the skills. If you are good person, if you are loyal, you have the good intent, if you like the idea, if you seeing the potential in the company, okay, and if you are seeing Dubai, if you are seeing the Paris, as I am seeing, then we will able to sit in this single plane. If not, you are seeing, I am seeing the Paris and you are seeing something else like Korea or something else, then there is no make sense of it. So that's what that I need in the starting, and that I will figure out by the talking to the people.
Okay.
Once I will get it this, then I will talk about the skills. अरे skills का क्या करूंगा? $20 दूंगा तो ChatGPT कोड करेगा मेरे लिए. $100 दूंगा तो कोई एजेंट आके काम कर लेगा. So I need a good people, good heart, loyalty, and that luckily I have the good people.
Okay, great.
So yeah, और इसमें एक और भी है कि currently I told you कि few of the people are coming from my close network. So close network में few people are coming from my relation as well.
Okay.
So few people like one of my uncle's friend's son, Chirag, who is coming. There is one person, Dhanwant, who is working very hard and come from the suddenly they send me the request कि मेरे को बात करनी है. Then we did something round. और उसने काफी अच्छा काम किया. Someone, there is one person who is a marketing person, head of the marketing, Rakesh. Again, close connection. Co-founder is Himanshu Sumani, childhood friend.
Oh my God.
साथ में हम स्कूल जाते थे और साइकिल पे we are just putting ourselves and all this.
Okay.
And one thing that I want to highlight for him, ex-Googler, ex IIM Ahmedabad who is working with me because he believes me.
Oh my God, that's
So that's
crazy.
so
Yeah.
this is the way. And there's one girl, Nikita, who is working so long for me. Now she is working with us. And there's one more person जो मेरे को कभी सोचा नहीं था मैंने कि वो मेरे साथ काम करेगा. वो मेरा ही भाई है, मौसी जी का बेटा है,
Okay.
Hemant. Okay, so he's doing very good. Full masti, but for work he's doing very good. So this is people are working in our company. There's one more person in the Gen AI, Kushal, who is also doing very good. So this is the way that I'm taking the people from the closed network. So that's how that we did the things for the people.
Okay, I think great. We were discussing about the plans
Yeah.
of High Daves. So, what kind of vision you have, and what is the next steps you think?
Okay, yeah. So before jumping to the plans, I will give you the current stage. So currently we have 1000 plus users on the platform, and from the 1000, 252 or 54 users has been given successfully interview, AI interview, okay, from our platform. Okay, and we have 167 kind of the users who have been given and submitted the projects as well. Okay, and we have the Eco Deepak My clone on the platform that has been done. 5,000 queries of the user handle and answer properly. That analysis that we have. And if we talk about the lead prompt, so I think more than 100 people has been tried out our lead prompt and do some stuff on the platform itself. So this is how that. And if we talk about the for the current level of the tech stack that we are using, so we have the Quadrant, we have the LangChain, LangGraph, some area of the Crew AI, and some area of the observability and other, like for the Azure observability tool is there. And for the all are the we also are the part of the AWS and Google startup, where we have been get the good credits from the Google, and we are using Gemini from all over the whole platform, whatever the AI that we are using. So this is how that we are. And now if we talk about the plans, so I'm going USA on the 21st of the June for the events. So there are the multiple events has been planned out. So with the collaboration of the few of the companies of the USA itself, I'm going to the core like San Francisco itself, where the most of the tech companies and the events are happening on the daily basis. Okay, and that's what that we are doing. So events is there, offline events. That's the same thing that we are doing in the Bangalore, the same thing that I'm going to do in the US itself. And luckily we got a chance to showcase the high devs in the one of the biggest event of the SF, where we are going to showcase high devs. Yesterday only we got a mail that's your seat is confirmed. This is what the time that you have to become and present about your high devs. So that's what that we are going to do. And also for the seed round funding that we are looking for. So for the investors meeting, few are the lineup, few are on the pipeline. So that's why I'm going. So yeah, let's see how the things we will go. Yeah.
I think we had a great conversation, and audience will take a lot of value from this.
Thank you.
And now we'll move to the rapid fire round.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. So, one tool every student should be using right now, other than ChatGPT.
Other than that, I will say don't go to the particular tool. I will suggest just try to use every tool, whatever that you want to be use it. That will be much better because ChatGPT is good for the complexity. Okay, Gemini is good for like kind of the writing. Claude is good for the coding. Perplexity is good for the research. So I think no single tool is there. You have to pick your bucket of the tools for the each use case that you have.
Got it.
And currently what people are doing, they are just putting a lot of the things in the single and trying to get out something best out of it. It's not going to be possible.
Do you think the teachers will be replaced by AI in coming time?
No, it is not going to be possible.
The most overrated buzzword in EdTech or AI right now?
If you will learn prompt engineering, then you will get the 50 lakhs of the job. It is not going to be happen.
Okay. If you had to learn just one skill in the age of AI, what would it be?
How to portray your thoughts. That's it. Just crafting your thoughts properly. That will give you the good thing. Because people are saying ki, okay, I'm very good into prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is not what the saying about the English word. No, it's
Mhm.
something and bigger than that.
Got
So
it.
you should know about how to convince on the particular topic on which you are convinced already.
Mhm.
If you have that skill, then you
Hmm.
are good to go.
Okay. You are a student, and why you should join High Devs now? Like how you will think about it? Why you will join the High Devs?
So I will join High Devs
You are a student,
because
right?
yes,
Yeah.
because everyone on the YouTube, if I will go and type the Gen AI tutorials, okay, so I will able to get approximately 1000 videos.
Mhm.
And if I talk about the articles, mostly 100k articles are available. I will go to the different routes.
Hmm.
I will hit and try, hit and try, hit and try, hit and try.
Hmm.
After spending 2 years or 1 year, just take it 1 year, then I will get to know, अरे मेरे को तो 10% ही आया, और 90% has been waste.
Hmm.
So this will not going to happen on the high devs.
Okay.
We will give you what you want because we are very personalized.
Okay.
We have the feedback.
Mhm.
That's what that not available in the market.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Thank you so much.
Deepak.
Yeah.